Welcome to Concept of Science. Today we will learn moment of force through some examples. Let us take the first example. A day-to-day activity do daily, and there is a concept lying behind it which is called moment of force, and you do not realize it. Suppose there is a door. These are the hinges. This is the door handle. Now if you are standing in front of a door, go to the door and try to open or close the door by pulling through this outer portion of the door. And also try to open the door by pushing just closer to the hinges, like here, where you apply more force. Obviously, you will find it difficult to open or close the door by pushing here closer to the hinges, and it will be easy to open the door through this handle which is at the exterior or outer side of the door. Have you ever given a thought why it is so? Why the same amount of effective work the door is opening? At one place you have to apply less force, at one place you have to apply large force. Why? This brings us to the concept of moment of force. The moment of force depends upon two factors. First factor is the magnitude of the force. The second factor is the distance d of the line of the force from the axis or fulcrum about which turning takes place. What is d? Suppose this is the axis through which the door is rotating, like this. This is the hinge. So the perpendicular distance from here to the force, this distance we are talking about. This perpendicular distance is the distance when multiplied with the force applied here. D into F gives the moment of force. Let us say P is the moment of force. We got a formula of moment of force which is F into D is equal to P. Now let us apply this formula and learn about one more practical example that you can experience. Suppose there is a seesaw and the seesaw is placed like this, that one end is shorter, the other end is large. Suppose the distance here is x and the distance here is 2x, double the distance. Now if there is a boy 2w weight is sitting here, can you balance this boy with a lighter boy? Yes, of course. If you place a boy of weight w here at the distance 2x, then this lighter boy compared to this heavier boy can balance this heavier boy in this seesaw. And this is the outcome of moment of force. Because we have learned moment of force is equal to the magnitude of force applied, which is to weight, the weight is which is pulling down the seesaw, into the distance which here is x. Now if this boy is balancing the heavier boy, then this moment is equal to this moment, so we can say 2x into weight. Obviously it is equal. You simplify it to wx is equal to 2wx. So what we saw here is, if the distance is doubled, there is less weight or less force required to balance this boy. And this is the concept of moment of force. So hope you understood the concept of moment of force. You got the formula. Next we will learn center of gravity in my next video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit like if you got the concept. Thanks for watching.